So where do you see that going?
Well, it's a support mechanism. I mean, AI, we don't want to say this is your future, but AI can actually start to read this iconography. It's early days of it, but rivers, how do they see the rivers? How do they see the mountains? What does a tree mean? And that is what we're interested in the AI, to be able to read and come up with suggestions. But what I'm really intrigued with what I'm doing at the moment is actually over the next couple of days is sitting down with children and ask them on this Aboriginal island, where the Aboriginal really, so what is the icon for wealth? What is the icon for success? How do people see that future? Where is the future? What is the respect? So it's how do we find the different iconography that is most relevant to people?